of DMs regarding one thing, which is Apex. Hi guys, this is Malaika, and I have worked at Apex for about a year, and I received tons of DMs regarding one thing, which is Apex. I received many different type of questions like how to get into Apex, what type of campaign should you select, and what is the thing that you should avoid, and what is the thing that you should do to get into Apex. So today I have decided to create a video on one of the most hot topic, which is, according to me, 3 things that you should avoid during Apex interview. Number 1 is faking your accent. Like, if you think that they are looking for someone who has British or American accent, then I have a bad news for you. You are wrong. Because this is not true. They do know that they are not living in US and or UK. They do know that they are in Pakistan, and here we have our Pakistani accent. You know, there are many people who are way confident than me, who are way well spoken than me, but they got rejected because of one thing, that they were just faking their accent, and their accent keeps dropping during the conversation. So this is one of the most important thing to keep in mind, that you do not need to fake your accent, because they are hiring us to provide clarity to the customers. They are not hiring us to act like we are from US or UK. Second thing, according to me, the second most important thing that you have to keep in mind is that, you know, the recruiters, they intentionally switch Urdu, and they intentionally start to speak in Urdu so that they can check your flow. But just because they are speaking in Urdu, it does not mean that you should also start, speaking in Urdu. You should understand that they are still testing you, and this is another way of them testing you. Third point. So the third most important point that I think you should definitely avoid is using filler phrases. Because, you know, they have a KPI, which is key point index. Like, if the recruiter asks you something that you have no idea about, rather than using filler phrases like I guess, you should just straightforwardly tell them that I'm not aware about the topic, but after your question I realized that this is quite important and I should have, done my proper research about it. You could say any of such things, but you should definitely not start using filler phrases. Rather than thinking, you should be confident with each and every answer of yours. Watch the full video, click on the link in my bio. Take care, bye bye.